Hey everyone, it's DJ Stavropoulos with Keller Williams Metro Atlanta. Giving you a quick preview of an open house I'm holding tomorrow, Sunday, March 15th from 1 to 3 p.m. This is 1397 Smith Street, Southeast. Listed by one of my colleagues, Blair McLean. Cute little 3-2, completely gutted and renovated. Listing for $475. I'm going to do multiple videos here, but just to show you where this is. Technically it's East Atlanta, but it's not what most people think of when they think of East Atlanta. It's not really near the center of East Atlanta. It's south of 20 and just west of Fayetteville Road in that little triangular piece of land on the very edge of East Atlanta. So just walking into the yard right now to give you the outside view. Beautiful little deck, back door, completely fenced in yard. Love this horizontal fencing. Good size yard, and as you can see, there is a carriage house here. Haven't been in it yet. I'll do another video on that to show you, but it's essentially a 3-2 house, 1,600 square feet, with a carriage house in the back, 1-1, which you could use as an in-law suite as well. So more to come.